Well, I have not been out here very much at all lately. Said I was going to take a break, and that's been pretty true. I have not done much out here in a few weeks. But, having said that, there are some odd little jobs to do, and this is one of them. Now, you've all heard, we all make the joke that stickers add horsepower. Well, today we're going to test that theory, and we're going to see if changing a sticker on this 1977-ish Briggs Stratton is going to add any horsepower. First thing we have to do is get the sticker off, and I'm a little nervous about that, so hopefully it goes well. Fingers crossed. I'm worried it'll peel off some paint.
I'm going back to the place I ran from. Palm trees, broken roads, desert dust bowl sun, where the billman will call you almost every week. Which bills to pay today, what's left in the fridge to eat. Where stars frame the night, born out of dreams, just close enough to give hope, but too far to reach. I left there with that hope on fire, a backseat for a bed in search for something brighter. Down in that Dust Bowl Valley, with that Dust Bowl Valley sun.
Such a shame to do this to such a beautiful decal. Oh no, already paint's coming off. Hopefully if we get it started, I can peel it back on itself at enough of an angle. Oh, it's gonna take off a ton of paint. Oh no, stop it. You know what? Maybe this is a bad idea. Can we stick it back on? Darn it. I think we just have to go for it. And really, really peel it back on itself. As flat as possible. It's complaining. Oh, okay, in the end that wasn't too bad. Oh, sorry Jim, that feels terrible to do that. I do have an NOS 5 horsepower decal. It's a little bit yellowed around the edges and stuff, but it's old, so that's allowed. And I think once it's on here, we won't be able to tell. So let's get it on there. I have to say that actually looks pretty good. It's not quite as nice as Jim's Decals, but I can't really complain. So there we have it. We changed one sticker and we went from 3 horsepower to 5. I will say I like the printing and just the general appearance of Jim's engine decals a little better than this NOS one, but he was on vacation at the time, so what was I going to do? So anyway, pretty happy with this, and it's ready to go to be installed on the air compressor for Jerry, and then we'll just kind of take it from there. We'll just keep working on that thing. But for now, I'm going to call it a night. So until next time, keep it in the litter box. Cheers.